RNAZ stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm looking at Transcode Therapeutics and I saw like a very decent increase just the end of the week off on Friday. Mainly began by being very bearish myself. I mean, I've done well over 37,000 videos and I have thousands of great predictions documented on my YouTube channel like no other. 37,000, like show me another guy with 37,000 videos. Nobody. 10,000, that's not nothing, but 10th of October is when I made this prediction. It was sitting at 72 cents at the time, and since then we just kept melting. The reason why we're above 112 right now, because we had like a reverse split, but ever since I made a prediction right there up to this point, we have came down around 95%. It was as low as like 97. So yeah, it's a lot. And one thing that I also want to mention is that it's still a bearish range, although it came out quite hard. The only thing that's going to make it bullish, at least from my eyes, it's going to be if it starts breaking above 218. And if it doesn't, it's all good. You know, me forcing movements here would just not make sense. So that's how it looks like for me. Let me know what is your opinion. Have a wonderful day and I'll keep you updated. Goodbye. Let me come out here.